my store-bought slimes part, I have no idea, so let's get straight on into the video. Alright guys, first what we have is this yellow bucket of slime, so let's go ahead and take that out. This one is actually a new one called Gazooka, and it's very, very nice. I love the container, and it is a yellow clear slime. I got these at Big Lots for like $5. These are basically like a cheaper, well, actually I'm not sure if they're cheaper, but they're a different version of the Crazy Art buckets, and they're actually pretty nice. They are like overactivated, but like clear-wise, color-wise, and textures, not that bad. Like they actually have pretty good pokes. And yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. Okay, next one is this big bucket, and I just got this, guys. This is actually a Nickelodeon slime, and I love Nickelodeon pre-made slime, but it is 3 pounds of very cherry slime, and this one is just a giant bucket of just solid color slime, which I like a lot more than the 3 colors, and it's scented, and it smells like cherry, and it is amazing, and I love it. Right there. So there's glitter on the bottom right there, and I don't know if that comes with it or like maybe I got that in there somehow, but I don't know. As you can see, it is very nice, very thick. It's so glossy. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put it in the bucket now. Ooh, that looks cool together. It looks like mustard and ketchup. Alrighty guys, next thing I do is this new one that I just found. It looks so cool. It's called Mix In Slime. I was trying to read that backwards anyways. Are you kidding me? Okay, well, a really cool thing about this, guys, is it has the glitter on the top, and then you can mix in the glitter, but apparently it just is straight up on there, and it's just like that. So now we only have this much glitter, but it's okay. There's still a lot of glitter, like, yeah. And it is so pretty. Look at how pretty it is. So this slime is purple with glitter in it, and let's see what texture it has. I have high hopes for this, so I really hope it doesn't let me down, and I kind of bought like a lot, so yeah. Okay, so it looks really pretty and thick so far. Let's see. Is it nice? It's got a pretty good container. Like, it doesn't have like a giant indent like sometimes. Here it is. Oh, that is pretty, and it's really thick. Okay, this is actually really, really nice, guys. It's super thick, so I think it's like more activated, but like if you just play with it slowly and like gently, it's actually really, really nice. I'm really liking this one. Maybe we put like hair gel in it, it might like become softer and better, but like I like this. This is nice. I like this one. I like the container. I like the color, the texture. It's very nice and thick. Let's go ahead and put the glitter in now. Right there. Okay, there is so much glitter in this pack. It is insane. Like this is like literally less than half of the glitter that was in there, and it's already so glittery, and it just looks beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be like one of my new favorites. I think we should put it, did we get any more glitter? No? Okay. Here. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty already. All right, guys, let's keep going. Okay, another we're gonna do is just a very, very common one. This one is just a neon blue bucket of slime. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here it is. Look at how nice it is. This is like one of my favorite store-bought slimes because of how like stretchy and like glossy, and it's very, very similar to homemade slime. It's very good. This is Nickelodeon's Crazy Art slime. Okay, next one. Next one I do is this Gazooka slime. This one is the same thing as this yellow rain right here, but it's green. I love the buckets on these ones. They're like so easy to open. This one comes out very nicely and like so perfectly, and I really love it. It's actually very thick too, but it is like kind of like an overactivated one. So you kind of have to play with it slowly, otherwise it kind of just like becomes really rippy. All right, let's go ahead and put that right here. We'll put it right here. Ooh, that looks pretty. Next we're gonna do, guys, is another Nickelodeon slime. This one is the Tutti Frutti mango smoothie thing. This is like another one of my favorites because it is actually a jelly cube slime, guys. Like, look at how amazing that is. Like, oh my gosh, this is my favorite. Look at these little jelly cubes, they're so cute. A store-bought slime jelly cube. Nickelodeon and Crazy Art really have it going. Okay, we'll put that right there. Next one is this oddly satisfying squishy like slime neon green one, and these are another one of my favorites. I have like 5 favorites, I know, but this one I like a lot because it's pretty similar to homemade slime, but like a lot of times it does have like different batches, and some are sticky and some are really hard. This one is really hard, and some are literally perfect, but this one isn't the best. As you guys can see, it's kind of hard, but it's still pretty nice. So we're gonna put that right there. Next one we have is this bug spray slime from Guava toys. choice. I love Karina Garcia's store-bought slimes, and I think these are like the same thing almost. And this one is really, really, really nice, guys. Like, it's pretty stretchy. And, but the thing is that with store-bought slimes, they kind of have it to make it like not sticky, so that's why they don't stretch as much. But this is pretty like stretchy, and it's very nice. So yeah. All right, let's go ahead and put that right there. Okay, next one is a very common one. It's Nickelodeon Neon Purple Slime. Just gonna put that there. Next we're gonna do, guys, is this green Nickelodeon slime. So this very, very, very nice and glossy, just like the balloon, but this one is a little bit more clear too, and I really like it. It's very nice. And it kind of looks tasty. Like, if this was candy, I would totally eat it. All right, let's go ahead and put that right there. Next one is this Beach Day slime. This is from the Guava slime pack too, and this one basically is like a sand slime. It's like a brown slime with sand in it, and it is really nice. And it has like a French vanilla, brown sugar, chocolatey kind of smell to it. I can't choose if it's vanilla or like chocolate, but it does smell very, very nice, and I really like this one. All right, we're gonna put that right there. Next we're gonna do, guys, is another one of these things, this mix-ins, and let's go ahead and take this thing off slowly this time. I guess we have to do it like upside down. Such a pretty glitter, guys. Like, oh my gosh. This one's basically like the purple one, but it's blue. Ooh, that looks nice and thick. Hopefully it's softer this time. It's pretty clear too. Comes out very nice. I don't think it's any softer, but it is still very, very pretty. Let's try and do this slowly. Not bad. Oh. All right, guys, let's go ahead and put the glitter in it now. I am excited because the other one looks so pretty, and I didn't even have all of it, and this time we have a lot of it. So let's go ahead and put that all. There's so much glitter in here. Okay, it's getting crunchy because of how much glitter there is. Filled with glitter now. It looks so pretty too. Here it is, guys. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this. Alrighty, where should we put it? I feel like we should put it right here by this one. And let's try and make a galaxy, guys. Next one is this pink one. Okay. Ooh, this one is really soft. I love this one too because it's super glossy and like super bright. Okay, we have a lot of green over here, guys. Okay, I think we're gonna put it right here in the middle of the green. Ooh, that looks cool. All right, guys, next thing I do is a new one, and I am so excited to see this one, guys. This one is Nickelodeon 3 pounds gold glitter. There has not been a glitter Nickelodeon slime, and I'm so excited. I don't think there has, but anyways, I am just very, very excited for this one because I've been waiting. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, that was really easy to take the seal off. I like this seal. Okay, well, first of all, guys, this isn't the same recipe as they usually have. Like, so this one isn't the same recipe as their other one. Like, here, let me show you guys. This is a crystal clear slime base that they have, Nickelodeon. It's very, very nice, as you guys can see, and it feels like homemade slime. This one, however, is a bit disappointing because of the texture, but it still is a pretty nice texture. But it kind of feels more like Compound Kings. But I still do really love it. It is really bright and really clear and really glittery, and I really like it. So yeah. But only problem I have is that I wish that they would have just used their regular slime base, but it's still pretty good. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and put it in our bucket. Where should we put it? Should we drizzle it all over or something? Because it's so pretty. We're just going to put it right here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Next one we're going to do, guys, is this, another one of these ones. But this one is purple, and it has these glitters on it. So basically like the blue one, but it's purple. Okay, look at how pretty that is. Okay, I am just loving these. These are so nice. If they could just make them a bit softer, it would be perfect. Like, the container is amazing, the glitter is amazing, the slime is amazing. The slime just needs to be a little bit softer, and that's it, and it would be so awesome. We'll put this right here by all the other ones. Okay guys, next is another one of these ones, but this one is pink, and I haven't done a pink one yet, and it looks so pretty. It's so bright, and it also has the little star thing, so we can see how that would have looked if I didn't drop all of them. Okay, this one seems like it's a bit harder than the other ones, but I'm not sure. Okay, look at how perfect. Oh my gosh, do you see that color? It's like a highlighter. Okay, let's go ahead and put our stars in it. I am excited because these stars are so cute here. You guys can see that up close. They're beautiful. Okay guys, here it is. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty it is. Oh, it has so many stars and it is so gorgeous. All right, let's put this in our little group here. This is actually looking so pretty with all like the glitters and stuff. Okay, next I'm gonna do another one of this one, but this one actually has these really cute, like, I think they kind of look like silicone like little balls, and it looks so cute, and they're all neon, and this looks amazing. So let's go ahead and take that out. Okay, so I don't know what material this is, but they feel really interesting. They're not really squishy, but they are soft. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put the balls in there. I don't know if it's gonna stick in there very well, but we'll try. I feel like it'd do better with like homemade slime. Oh, they look so pretty. Oh my gosh, this one is so amazing. Okay, I love this one. I think this one would be my favorite because it's just so different, and the little Orby thingamajiggers are like so cute, and I love them, and I'm keeping some so I can put them in some other slime, see if that works better. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put that right there. Okay, this little area looks fantastic. Okay. Okay, last what I do guys is a nice little gloss touch. We're gonna put this whole bucket of clear slime on there. Nickelodeon clear slime is like amazing guys. I love it. This is probably truly my favorite because oh, look at how beautiful it is. It's like so clear. Like, oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? It doesn't have like any fogginess at all or like anything. It's just purely clear, and it is amazing. This is what I was hoping that the glitter slime would be like, but it wasn't. But that's fine, I guess. Okay, we're gonna put that right there. Nice little gloss on top. Beautiful. Okay guys, I guess we are all done now. Now it's time to mix them, so get your eyes ready guys. Stop doing whatever you're doing and watch this beautiful mess we have here. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh, look how pretty it looks over here. Okay, let's do this. Oh, look at that little like rainbow looking thing there is there. Okay, the gold is so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, what about right here? What's going on here? We have all these glitter slimes. Plus a mango smoothie thing. Ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh, this green one right here looks really cool. Okay, right here, there's like a strand of gold, blue, purple, and pink, and it literally looks like unicorn hair or something. gosh, look how beautiful. Okay, it is so glittery just because of that one slime. Oh my gosh. This is a very glittery slime, guys. All right, what color do you guys think this is gonna turn out to? I feel like it's gonna turn out to like a very glittery purple. Okay, look at over here, guys. It's literally like a galaxy over here. Like a realistic galaxy, you know? It's like all dark. Ooh, look at that. Look at all that glitter. This looks actually really, really nice. It's kind of like a red purple, and I like it a lot. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down, like some more, and that is it. Love you so much. I really hope I see you next time. Bye.